So if you want to uninstall an app on your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro, simply press the crown once. That reveals the main menu that has all the apps. So you want to scroll to that app you want to uninstall. So let's say it's this app. So what you want to do now is long press on the app icon, and you should see a menu, and that menu will have the option to uninstall. So tap on the uninstall button. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to uninstall this app. Tap on the check mark, and that app is going to get uninstalled. It's really that simple. Alternatively, you can go to the Huawei Health app on your phone, go to devices, and then select your Watch Fit 4, and then go to App Gallery. Now, under App Gallery, you can tap on the manager, which will show you all your apps, and then tap on the installation manager. And here you can choose to uninstall an app by simply tapping on uninstall and then confirm you want to uninstall that app. And it's going to get uninstalled. Now, this is also where you can uninstall multiple apps at the same time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.